morning, guys. So, inayos ko na yung mga lipsticks ulit dito since napatuyo ko na tong lipstick holder, and I decided to also go through my MAC lipsticks one by one, smell them, look at them if okay pa sila. Although, meron dito mga okay pa yung amoy niya, okay pa yung itsura niya, pero I won't be using anymore. Like this one, Honey Love, kasi isa to sa mga first few MAC lipsticks ko, and also itong Flat Out Fabulous. But anyway, I went through all those, and then itong si Brave and si Plumful, hindi na maganda yung amoy nila. I mean, they smell like ordinary lipstick. I mean, kasi MAC has this distinct smell na yung mga lipsticks ng MAC, they smell like vanilla. So, ito, wala na yung vanilla scent. And itong si Brave, yung color niya, medyo weird na. Wait, let me show. So, it used to be like, if I remember correctly, may pagka, parang nude shade siya na peach. Hindi naman peach, basta nude brown shade. And ngayon, ganito na itsura niya. Ito kung nakikita niyo. Sobrang weird na ng itsura, and hindi na maganda yung amoy. So, I won't be keeping this anymore. And also, itong si Plumful. Ito naman yung kulay ni Plumful. Itong mga to, hindi ko to nagamit. Ayan, dami pa nito. Tingnan nyo. Ayan, pero hindi na yun. Yeah. Hindi na maganda yung amoy. So I'm going to be throwing this too. Tapos, also putting this. Ito yung mga natira lang kahapon na lip liner. And itong isang liquid lipstick from Milani. Which actually, I can already put dito sa acrylic na lang. So, as you can see, konti na lang yung nandyan. But, right now, I won't be able to go through yung drawers na pinakita ko yesterday because I have some work to do. Tapos, later in the afternoon, after lunch, we're going to the dentist. So, I'm not sure if matutuloy ko yung pag-declutter. But, yeah. At least, I was able to resume kahit yung sa lipstick section lang yung nais ko pa. Good morning, guys! Welcome to another start of a vlog. So, today is AL's third month. It's June 8. So, later kami ay bibili ng donuts para sa kanyang milestone photo. So, anyway, yesterday we went to the dentist. Nagpabunot din ako kahapon dito. Yung isa kong molar dito na para siyang nakasingit lang na ipin eh. So, sa wakas na patanggal na siya kasi medyo bothersome siya. Ayun, tsaka parang nag-chip off na siya. So, napansin ko sa ngipin ko, especially after my 4th pregnancy, is that it became more sensitive. Lalo na yung gums ko, mas madalas siya mag-bleed. So, sabi ng dentist ay that's normal talaga. Lalo na kung ilang beses na nabuntis, ganyan. So, yun lang. Yun naman yung nangyari yesterday. Tapos, yeah, after that, nagpahinga lang ako. Nagpahinga na ako kasi medyo hapon na rin naman kami nakarating. So, today, hindi muna ako magkikilos-kilos masyado. Although, nakapagwalis-walis na ako dito. And nakapagpunas-punas na. And apart from that, ang plano ko lang today na gawin ay mag-take ng pictures ng books because medyo matagal na since yung last post ko sa pages. Anyway, speaking of that, meron na namang bagong nilabas si TikTok na instead of July 14 yung extension, which dapat kung July 14 yon, ang plano ko is the whole month of June magla-live selling ako. But ngayon, meron namang message sila na June 14 na raw. So, ewan ko, ang gulo-gulo na. Parang wala na talagang pag-asa na ako yung makapag-live selling. So, I don't know. I do have plans B and C. So, meron naman ako mga plano on how I'll be able to sell books or to, like, distribute books. Pero, ayun, pag-iisipan ko pa sila, pagpe-pray ko muna sila. Another thing that I'm praying for right now actually is in terms of serving the Lord through our ministry, through our church, through a specific ministry. Omar and I, we are handling a discipleship group. So, yung pagiging leaders namin, that's already a form of service, kumbaga, sa ministry. But we can still do parang more volunteer work for the church. So, that's what I'm praying for, kung saan ako ilalagay ni Lord. Kasi, marami ako naiisip na parang, okay, dito na lang ako. Gusto ko sana dito sa ministry na to, ganyan. But then, last week, I saw a post on one of another ministry in CCFME na nangangailangan sila ng volunteer for a specific post that I have the skills for. So, biglang ako nagkaroon ng, I don't know, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung yun na lang, doon ba ako magpapasa ng application. Pero kahit naman magpasa ako ng application, wala pa namang assurance that, you know, I will be considered for that post or for that work or duty. Pwede naman na sa iba ako ma-assign, parang ganyan. But regardless, of course, una sa lahat, I want sana na yung gagawin ko is something that I know that I can do. If it's something na I'm a bit apprehensive about, I know naman that God will be the one to equip me on how to do it. And right now, as I'm praying for the enlightenment about this, to be honest, the enemy is already working. He's been putting thoughts in my head, mga limiting beliefs in my head, and I don't want that. So I want to decide as soon as possible. Kasi feeling ko, the more that I delay this, the more that the enemy will try to influence me, and I have to be on guard regarding that. Again, yung goal ko naman is really just to serve God. And I'm doing this because of the overflow of gratitude that I have for Him, the overflow of the love that I have received from Him, especially dito nga sa napagdaanan namin na season, yung family namin. So, I think the proper response lang talaga with that is to really be of service to the Lord. Yes, I'm doing that already as a wife and as a mom. Iba pa rin yung call, iba pa rin yung may intentionality ka to serve sa iba pang paraan, kumbaga, sa iba pang way, and that is through ministry. So, or through volunteerism. So, that's what I'm praying for right now. Just thought I'd share that here. So, pag naka-decide na ako, and if ever kung saan man ako makuha ng ministry, of course, I'll be vlogging about it. I'll be talking about it more. So, anyway, AL's is sleeping, but she's moving. Gumagalaw-galaw na yung kamay niya. Dito siya sa sala. Medyo lumalaki na siya. This is AL. Lumampas na yung paa niya dyan. Dati hanggang dito lang yung paa niya. So before, yung paa ni AL, lumalampas lang yung doon sa parang gitna ng couch kapag umuusog siya, kapag parang lumadaos-dus siya. But right now, as you can see, parang sakto-sakto na siya, and malapit na yung ulo niya dun sa dulo. Malapit dun sa handle ng couch. Tapos, lampas na talaga yung legs niya. So, lumalaki na siya. Pwedeng in the coming, like, weeks, hindi na siya magkasya dyan. So, I'm thinking actually of buying yung parang play gym, yung pwedeng higaan, tapos may mga nakasabit. May ganun si Ark before, pero hindi ko mahanap eh. Hindi ko alam kung naitago ko ba siya sa attic or naipamigay ko na. Pero yun, I'm considering buying one for AL. Tapos, dito siya ilalagay syempre sa sala, sa sahig dito or sa crib. May naka-abang na crib for here, sa sala. Na tinago ko muna siya dun sa dulo. But yeah.
Thanks.
Ito yung lumang sapin. Hindi tawag ito.